Good afternoon. My name is Wanfo. I am a highly performing professional with 10 years of experience as a Scrum Master, a project manager, and an Agilist. I have a career long track record of delivering successful projects and solutions. One of my characteristics that consistently draws positive feedback is my ability to create clarity in complex environments. I am known for cutting through the noise, whether it's competing priorities, vague requirements, or organizational politics, and helping teams focus on what really matters next. I do this by translating business intent into clear, actionable work while protecting the team from unnecessary distractions. Stakeholders appreciate that I communicate transparently and set realistic expectations. Teams value that I advocate for them and create psychological safety nets. This balance builds trust quickly and enables sustainable delivery. I use metrics as a conversation starter and not as a performing weapon. My focus is on trends and outcomes rather than isolated numbers. Key metrics that I regularly use include sprint predictability, which is commit versus completion. This improves, in my opinion, improves plan discipline. So this helps you with your planning discipline. Then cycle time and lead time. This helps to identify flow inefficiencies and bottlenecks. I also use throughput trend to understand delivery capacity over time. I review metrics collaboratively with the team during retrospectives, asking why patterns exist and what experiments we can run to improve. This approach keeps team engaged, data informed, focused on continuous improvement rather than on compliance. One of the challenges that I faced as an agilist is I was actually leading and driving the agile transformation adoption in an organization that wanted the benefits of agile without changing leadership behavior. In several transformations, teams were expected to be agile while decision making remained centralized. Dependencies are managed and delivery dates fixed without regards for empirical data. The challenge wasn't the teams, it was shifting leadership's mindset from control to enablement. I address this by coaching leaders, using evidence from data, facilitating cross team alignment forums, and gradually introducing guardrails that balance governance with autonomy. Over time, this led to improved trust for better forecasting and measurable delivery gains. One of the most technical teams I've worked with was when I was working with a platform engineering and harmonization team responsible for identity federation, access governance, CI/CD pipelines, and production reliability. The team consists of senior engineers working with cloud infrastructure, AWS, and Azure, identity protocols, OAuth 2, Samuel, OpenID Connect, infrastructure as code, and automated deployments, high availability and security critical systems. My role required deep engagement with architecture discussions, dependency management, and risk mitigation, while ensuring agile practices supported but not slowed down engineering excellency. I focused on flow optimization, reducing operational tolls, and aligning technical debt reduction with business priorities. Thank you.